Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of the Islam and beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 4A for New Scanty Mathematics Book 2, Class 7 of SAC students, and exercise number 11A for New Syllabus Mathematics D1 for A-level, O-level students. And question number 6 is, in this figure, ABC is a straight line, whereas angle DAB is right angle, as well as students angle ADB and BDC. I mean to say that this angle and this angle, these two angles are equal. So we have to find angle BDC. This angle we have to find, as well as students CBD, this angle, I can name it as angle Y, and we have to find the value of angle X and angle Y. First of all, keep in mind that angle ADB and BDC, these two angles are equal. If we name this angle as angle X, then definitely this angle will also be X, because these two angles are equal. So students, we will discuss triangle DAC, in which angle C is 20 degree, angle A is 90 degree. This square is indicating that it is right angle, and these two angles are equal, and if I name this angle as angle X, then definitely this angle will also be X, because these two angles are equal and it is in given. So students, in this way we will find the value of X, and that X will be the angle of BDC. First we have to find. So students, first we will discuss in triangle DAC. I mean to say I am discussing triangle DAC, this complete triangle. First forget about this line, and we will apply the formula sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree. So students, this angle is of 90 degree, and as we have given the name to this angle as angle X, and this angle both are equal, so if it is X, it will also be X. So students, here I will write plus X, because these two angles are angle D, and plus 20 degree, and that is equal to 180 degree. Now students, we will sum up 90 and 20, and we will have 110 degree, because 90 plus 20 mean 110, plus X mean 2X is equal to 180 degree, and 110 is plus on left side. When I transfer it to other side, it will divide, and the value of 2X will be 180 degree minus 110 degree. Subtract 110 from 180, and we will have 70 degree, and 2 is multiplying on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will divide, and the value of X is 70 degree over 2, and X is 35 degree, and X is given the name to angle BDC. So students, angle BDC is 35 degree. Now students, we will discuss triangle DBC, in which angle X, that is given 35 degree, and this angle is of 20 degree, and Y we have to find. So again we will apply the same formula, that sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So students, here again I will use the same formula. Sum of in triangle, first I will indicate that which triangle is being discussed. So it is written as in triangle DBC. I mean to say that now I am discussing triangle DBC, this triangle, and apply the same formula. Sum of angles in triangle is equal to 180 degree. So students, X plus Y plus 20 degree is equal to 180 degree. 20 is plus on left side. When I transfer it to the side, it will become minus, and the value of X we have find it out, that is 35 degree. So 35 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree, and students, 35 is minus 20 degree, because we have transferred this 20 to other side, And students, when we subtract 20 from 180, we will have 35 degree plus y is equal to 160 degree. And students, 35 is plus on left side. When we transfer it to the side, it will become minus. So students, y is equal to 160 degree minus 35 degree, and the value of y will be 5 will subtracted from 10 and we will have 5. 3 will subtracted from 5 because we have taken 1 as carry, and remaining 1 will be 2 and 1. So the value of y is 125 degree, and y is given the name of angle DBC. So students, angle DBC, I mean to say second part, is equal to 125 degree. And now students, we have found out the value of angle BDC, that is 35 degree, and angle DBC is 125 degree, and it is question number 6 of exercise 4A and 11A. And students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.